Hi, thanks for checking out this video. So let's get started. So today we're going to talk about how to install PowerShell into the system. So when we install Windows 10 into the system, we already have a PowerShell installed default. So let's check what version is already installed in the system. So to check which version of PowerShell is already installed in the system, we need to right click on the start button and then go to the Windows PowerShell admin. And once you click that, we get this window and we have to press yes. And after that, we get this uh, command prompt window, right? And here to check the version of the PowerShell, we need to type in the command dollar $ps version table. So this is the command which is used to know the version of the PowerShell. So when you do this and when you press the enter button, so we get the PowerShell version. So PowerShell version is 5.1 version, right? So to install the latest version, we need to go to the website. So this website, I'll be providing this link in the description. So github.com will have all the PowerShell latest releases. So once we open this website, we have to scroll down, and here we find lots of different operating systems uh, PowerShells. So since ours is Windows and my system runs on 64-bit, so I'm gonna select this one. So PowerShell 7.1.4 Windows to 64 MSI. So once you click on this, it automatically downloads. Once the download is finished, let's check what are the steps we need to follow. And here you go, it got downloaded, and let me click on this. So once you click on the uh, downloaded file, we get this window. So we have to press next and then click on next, and here with this an important step here to follow. This box basically is for whenever we run PowerShell files, when this is checked, the PowerShell will run in the 7 PowerShell 7 version instead of 5, which is already in the system. So this should be checked. Make sure that you don't miss this step, right? So after this, we need to click on next, and then that's it. Install, and we get this, and yes. And let's launch and see how it looks. So finish. Here you go, the PowerShell. So let's check. Let's use the same command to check the version of the PowerShell, right? So dollar $ps version table, and when you click on enter, it gives the version PS version 7.1.4, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned. Thanks.